Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you clear iPhone memory and RAM on 2024. So to do that, at first just go to your settings app. Now scroll down and go to accessibility, this option. Now after that, here you can see touch option. Click on touch and just turn on assistive touch, the top one. Just click on it and click on assistive touch. Now go back and just click on general, scroll down, and here you can see the last option, shutdown. Click on it. Now just cancel it and just unlock your phone, and after that your memory and RAM will be cleared. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.